Welcome to my channel. This is the first time I've done this, but I thought I'll show you how to build a SaaS application, which is software as a service. What we're going to do is, as you can see on my screen, we're going to use this new tool, AI tool called Lovable. It's actually great. It has a feature where you can use Superbase, which is a database. So the application will be we're going to develop an AI resume enhancer or a tool which where you can specifically for LinkedIn and I'll show you the process. We're going to find people who are looking for a job, and based on this tool you can upload your CV and the job profile that you're looking at, and it will customize your CV for you. It's a pain point, and with any SaaS application, what we're trying to do is resolve some pain points. As you know, if you're looking for a job, it's super annoying if you try to customize every single CV for that job. So we're going to do that through AI. So keep watching, and I'll share how we're going to do that through this lovable app. It's fairly new, but and it's the first time I'm trying also. So you're going to go through it with me together. So what I've done here is I made a list of prompts which I think will create the landing page for me. So I'll just copy and paste what I've written in my notepad here, and I'll put it onto the screen in a sec. So this is what it is. So it says, please build a landing page for my SaaS startup. It's an AI platform that converts a resume or CV into a highly customized CV based on a specific job description. What you do, users simply need to upload their resume, insert the LinkedIn job post they're applying for, and the AI creates a customized resume for you. Okay, so that's the first prompt I'll give this tool. Okay, so I'll just select enter here, or you can click on this arrow here. Okay, so let's put it in. Okay, so you can see on the right hand side, you can see it started this process. So it'll start coding for me actually. The great thing about these tools is now you don't need to go into download all these tools and start coding, and it takes a lot of work. So now what this tool does is more of you become like a product manager. You ask the tool what you want and it will start churning it for you, but you still have to go through the process. With one prompt you're not going to get everything. So it will churn out something, and I'll show you. So it's going through this. So it's coding, it's creating all the different files. It's creating the structure. Okay, so there you go. This is you can open it in another tab here. So if you select this, open preview in another tab, it actually gives you the full preview here. So here you can see it. I've opened it in this tab. It's fairly basic, nothing much to it at the moment. Okay, and you can see how it works. Upload a resume, add a job description, get your customized resume. Yeah, that's the process we're talking about. Yep. So I like that. Okay, why choose our platform? Yeah, it's AI powered. Yep, looks good. Okay, this is interesting. I didn't ask for this. So basic is free, through resume customization, and then $19 a month. So I will tell you how to monetize it as well. That's the whole goal in the end, is to deploy this and try to monetize it. So yeah, it's fairly good. I mean, it's not exactly what I'm looking for, but it's a good start, right? So we have a landing page, right? Okay, let's go back to Lovable. Okay, my second prompt is what I want to do is I want to ask it to create a header. Okay, so let me just copy what I've done in my notepad. I'll put it here. So it says create a header section for my landing page with the following navigations. I want how it works link, the features of this product, pricing. As you can see, it did some of the pricing, but I want it to navigate to the pricing section. I want a sign in section, get started for free, because we're going to offer 3 resumes for free initially. for each user sign up. So it gets the users to test the product, and if they like it, they will sign up and continue with it. So after three, we will ask them to sign up to a payment plan or a plan, basically. Yeah, either monthly or yearly. We'll decide that. Okay. So what was said here is, yeah, create me the header section. The navigation should scroll to these sections on click. Okay, let's put it in. What I want to show you is there is no. So I've not pre-recorded this in the sense that I don't know what it's going to do. I'm going to go through every single step and all the things that it comes up with. I'll explain it to you. It's just straightforward. I know these tools have a limit because I'm using the free. I've just signed up. I'm using the free, the free plan. But as you start working through it, it will at some point my tokens are going to run out and it will ask me to sign up to a plan. So I will go through that process as well. Okay. So you can see it's come back. This is excellent. It's created a name for me as well. That's I wasn't looking for job fit, but okay, I'm okay with that. So we have a how it works section, features, pricing, sign in, and get started for free. So let's see if this works. Oh, wow, that's quite cool. Features, pricing. So it's doing all of those things. I don't think sign in has anything because I've not told it what it is, and get started for free as well. So we'll work on that. Okay. But you can see if I go back to the other page where I've opened it up here, I'll just refresh here. Okay. So this is what it is. Yeah, so same thing in the full page. Right. So we have a basic version and our most popular pro version. Okay. So yeah, you can, as you can see, it's starting to come up nicely. And guys, this is with no coding. Although I'm a coder by background, I'm not a super coder or anything like that. I just, I do it occasionally, and I understand some of the stuff in coding, but I'm not a full time coder. So this tool really will help you. Like, you don't have to be a coder. You should be able to prompt. Okay, let's go back to the other tab. Okay, so right. So I have two prompts and I've got this far. Okay. So my third prompt, what I'm going to say is, okay, I want to change the pricing section a little bit. So let's do that first. Okay. Okay. So I want to create three offers. Basic start for free allows for one resume to be uploaded. Okay, as you saw here, it gives you three. I just want people to try it first. Give them one, and then let's take it from there. And then the monthly option allows unlimited resumes for a fee of $19, which is, I'll keep that. I'm okay with that price. And then the yearly subscription. So we're going to give it less than half price and make it the most popular option. Okay. So yeah, let's do that. Let's see how it goes. Wow, look at that. Awesome. And I told it to put the most popular in the middle, and it's done exactly that. So this is awesome, guys. Look at that. All right. Okay. So that's good. Now let's do the next step. So this is almost getting you to a full landing page with all the details you need. Obviously, the sign in and get started for free. We don't have that page yet, or that sign in also. So sign in requires, obviously, you need to authenticate. You need a database where you can sign up first, which will save your email and your password. It will save it into a database. So when you try to authenticate, it will do that and bring you to another landing page, or you can come back to this landing page with you signed in. But what I'll tell you, my plan is I will create a dashboard page for this because we want to be able to upload our CV and also paste our LinkedIn URL once we sign in to start the process of automating this. So in this first part, and I will make two part video just to make it easy, and you guys can try this at home. Lovable. I'm not. It's not a sponsored video or anything like that. I just discovered this this tool online, and I think it's awesome. There is other tools out there like Bolt, which is also good. But what I like about this tool is You can see this super base here, right? So it actually has, you can integrate super base through here. You can just prompt it and it will do that for you. Okay. Whereas in what I found in Bolt, I think you have to sign up to Superbase separately and then copy and paste the code that you get from Bolt into Superbase to create the tables, etc. But here, this will do that for you, which is awesome. So I haven't tried it. Let's try it. Let's see how that works. Okay, my next prompt. So I've done three prompts for so far. I want to create the sign in page with email and password login. I'll just copy and paste what I had in my notepad into here. So what I want to do is create a sign-in page with email and password login. For users that have not signed up, create option to log in with Google, GitHub, or email to create the accounts. Okay. Connect with Superbase for new user sign up and save this sign up profile and also authenticate for users logins with Superbase. Okay, let's try it. So I want to create a couple of things here. Create the sign in page. It will have email and password to sign in, but you can also sign in with Google and GitHub, or you can just sign up with your email address and password. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so this is what it says here. So I noticed that you want to integrate Superbase for authentication and user management, which is true. Before we can proceed with implementing the sign-in page and authenticate, we need to connect the project to Superbase first. So I have to connect. Please connect your project by clicking on the Superbase menu in the top right of the lovable interface, which is here. Okay. Let me know and I'll help you implement the authentication system with email, password, Google. Okay. So it will do that for me. So I have to go here. I have to connect. Okay. Right. Yeah, there is a video. You can watch this video. But I'm just going to go and click on connect. Okay. It's asking me to, I'll show you. Yeah. So it's asking me to sign up with GitHub or with SSO. I don't have SSO. I'll just sign in. Or we could do it with email and password. So we'll do that. Okay. Let's do GitHub because I have an account with them. Okay. That's my account. Yep. Okay. I will authorize that. Let's see. And I think you get 2 projects free with Superbase. We'll see. Not 100% certain. Okay. So it's asking for all these access. I have to accept and create. Okay. Yeah, we'll keep it as it is for now. So there is, you can see here, Superbase does have plans. I'm going to do because it's personal, I'm just going to do the free plan. Let's see, I think you get a couple of projects for free before we sign up. So I'll just do that. Okay. I will authorize. Okay. Hi guys. Sorry, in between the video stopped recording, so I've been continuing. I'll tell you what I've done so far. So I've on the where I left off, I was connecting to Superbase. I managed to get the connection up and running. What I've had to do is basically go into Superbase and create a project. Okay, so it's created the project. Then I've told it to create the login profile, the login page, which is, if I go back here, um, I'll just share that with you. I'll just sign out here. Okay. Let me close that. Okay. So let me just refresh this. I'll get a new page here. Okay. So I've asked it to create a login page, a login and a sign up page. And what it's done, it's created the table and I've signed up. So you can see here, I'm just sharing the Superbase link here with you, page here with you, sorry. So you can see it's created my user account, okay? And it's giving me an ID. Okay, and then I'll talk about this resume section. So these are the 2 tables it's created, okay? And it's good work in progress. I will just go through the website or the the application that we have so far, and then I can show you what's been done. Okay, so this is the landing page. Sorry, this is the sign-in page where you sign up and then sign in to your account. Okay. If you've not got an account, you just sign up. Okay. Since it has an account, what it's doing now is authenticating me. Do I exist as a user in this system? So it's going to here and it's checking my email and authenticating my password and letting me in, and then it's landing me onto my page, my dashboard page, and you can see that it does it in context because it has my history here. Now you can see I did this upload earlier and it actually saved that here. So if I let me just do another one for you quickly. I'll just select a okay, and then I'll put the same profile in. Okay, I'll submit that, and you can say resume uploaded successfully. Once it does that, you'll see it will display here. Okay, there you go. You can see it here. It's clear, and you can download it, and download does work. If I download it, there we go. It's downloaded the resume and it's opened it here. Okay, so let's go back to here. Sorry, I don't know if you saw the resume. So here, let me share this tab here. See, you can see these the two here, and if I download, it does download, and it will actually open it for me also. Okay, so let's go back here. Right. So that's what I've done so far. My next process or steps in this project is to just tidy this up. In the next video, I'll do a bit of tidying up. I'll add my logo, company name. I will add the rest of the navigation links here on the dashboard page also. Okay, and then when I sign out, I want it to go back to the landing page also, not to the login page. So there's a few things I want to implement. And then the trigger for the optimization with the AI model is going to be based on submission. So once I've uploaded my CV and resume and the LinkedIn URL, when I click on submit, it will kick off another process, and then I'll explain we're going to use webhooks and etc. to do that. Okay. I hope you guys you liked this video. I hope it was useful and beneficial for you. Please do like and subscribe and comment on the video, and stay in tune for the next one. Thank you. All right, just one more thing before I leave. So I've pasted all the links in the description below. If you do want to try this tool, and I encourage everybody to go and use it and just to play around with it, the link in the description. Just follow the link for Lovable and Superbase. Although you can access Superbase directly from Lovable, so please go do check out those tools.